This is a fit for a 2010 through 2013 Toyota Highlander with factory installed raised side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Evo Raised Rail WingBar Evo base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar Evo 135 load bars in silver, 53 inches in length, the Evo Raised Rail foot pack, which connects to the raised rails using rubberized clamps. Here we have the bars at 30 inches from front to rear, center to center. That distance is variable along the length of the raised rails. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.